Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I'm going to show you how to repost Instagram post to your story. The first thing you should do is you have to choose the post that you want to share to your story, okay? And I'm going to choose the post from City. And after you choose the post, you have to choose this icon, okay? Choose this icon and tap this icon, add to your story, okay? Click this one and then you can click this symbol, okay? Click this symbol and you can click share right here. Click share and click done. Click done right here. Okay, and now that post is on your story and we can check right here, okay?